Hi guys and girls, today we're going to take a look at a few Chinese comedy videos and also some funny things about life in China. So get ready, sit back and let's have a laugh. This is how Chinese commentators sound to me. Chinese goalkeeper 101. It's your job to try and dribble the ball all the way to the next goal as many times as you can during a match.
这个虽然最后杨志拿到球了，杨志自己带球上来了，这是一个活球，杨志在中场球被断了，这个时候直接打到国安队的禁区里啊，是雷腾龙，啊是张欣欣，最后把球得到。
哎呦我的妈哎呦我的妈
Here are some crazy scenes that can be found only in China. The Chinese are the absolute best at carrying loads. Check out the 5 guys on that motorbike and the house being carried on that little truck. Yes, your eyes aren't fooling you. This is, in fact, a shoe car. Maybe he even has a stinky smell as well. You know, to make it authentic.
搞错了，再来。哎呦我的妈
In case you didn't realize, old Chinese men with long grey beards are simply the wisest people in the world. And this one takes the cake. He's definitely the wisest man of all time. Signs in China are just totally hilarious. They're always good for a laugh. Now that's a smart Chinese athlete. Because he's so short, he realized that his best bet was to simply run through all the hurdles. That's all, folks. See you on the next video.